Okay, so more reasons to have a printer. In this case, to remember to change the cat flea collar. Let me show you. Okay, so we like to use these flea collars. These are the best ones we found. And the deal is that they last for 8 months, but they are damned expensive. So if you change it out too fast, then you're just throwing money away. Or if you don't change it out fast enough, then your cat may get, issues. So what I did a while back is I made this thing. And what it does is pretty obvious. It goes over the flea collar. You put a little label on it with the date that you need to change it out. And today, in fact, is February 3rd. Now, if we look at the inside of it, I have the model here. You see the part number on the back, which you can barely read in the PETG. But part number in the back. And then inside there we have a little nub. And what that does is it just more or less holds it from sliding around so it doesn't irritate the cat. I think it more or less always hangs down at the bottom on our cats, or maybe it's on top, I don't remember. But it's a pretty simple model, and we have a little channel in the back for the label to go in. And then once we put the label on, I coat it in this clear nail polish. That way it doesn't accidentally pull the label off, and you don't have to worry about it, going missing and kind of neglecting the whole point of putting it on there. Now, I could have put another label over this one and just coated it again, and you could probably do that for, I don't know, you could probably do that 3 or 4 times before it actually started to bulge up a little bit. But I just went ahead and made some new ones out of some PETG that I was running anyway. And, yeah. So, saved you some money and possibly keeps you from having to pay for vet bills. Anyway, more reasons to have printers. Cats.